Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Focus key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This process is straightforward, but having the right items on hand makes it much easier. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. Apply a slight twisting motion with the screwdriver. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up, typically the positive side. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it matches the correct positive and negative orientation. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Once it's fully closed, take a moment to test the key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Ford Focus to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.